In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload the code to Bitbucket. We'll start by getting signed in. Open Bitbucket in your browser and log in with your Atlassian account. On the sign-in page, choose the Google option to streamline the process, then select your Google account to continue. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be redirected briefly. Just follow the prompts until you land in Bitbucket. Once you're in, head to the Repositories section. This is your central place for managing code across your workspace. Click Create Repository, and instead of starting from scratch, choose Import Repository. Import is perfect when your code already lives somewhere else, like another Git provider or a hosted Git server, and you want Bitbucket to pull it in for you. Now fill out the import details. Paste the source repository URL, the address Bitbucket will use to fetch your code. If the source requires authentication, enter credentials only if prompted. Make sure you have read access to the source. Without it, the import can't proceed. Next, pick the project in your workspace where this new repository should live. Projects help you group related repositories and manage permissions more easily. Give your repository a clear, memorable name. Keep it short, lowercase, and hyphenated if needed. This helps with URLs and readability. If you already typed a name earlier, use this moment to double-check spelling and consistency with your team's conventions. Set the access level to match your needs. Private keeps your code visible only to people you explicitly invite, which is the safest default for most teams and proprietary work. Public is suitable for open source code when you want anyone to see it. Open the advanced settings to add a concise description. This is where you provide context about what the repository contains and how it's used. A good description helps teammates find the right code quickly and understand its purpose at a glance. When everything looks good, click Import Repository. Bitbucket will start pulling your code from the source. Depending on the size of the repository and your connection, this can take a moment. After the import finishes, you'll land on the repository overview. You should see your files, branches, and commit history exactly as they were in the source. If anything doesn't import as expected, verify the source URL, confirm your permissions, and ensure any required credentials are correct. That's it, you've successfully uploaded your code to Bitbucket using the import workflow.